Meaning of marl.
marl, marl.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A type of sedimentary rock comprising a mixture of clay and calcium carbonate, often with other minerals. 2. A mixture of clay and limestone used as a fertilizer. Examples. 1. The cliffs were formed from a layer of marl deposited millions of years ago. 2. The farmer added marl to the soil to improve its fertility. Verb. Definitions. 1. To mix or combine ingredients, especially soil or fertilizer, together. 2. To spoil or damage something, especially a material, by mixing or combining it with something else. Examples. 1. The gardener marled the soil with compost to create a rich growing medium. 2. The artist marled the paint, ruining the entire canvas.
marl, marl.